Hi, I'm Wayne.
And I'm Belinda.
We are normal preppers, and this is normal prepping.
Well, when it comes down to an emergency, we thought we were prepared for anything. Turns out we weren't quite as prepared as we thought.
That is so true. I thought at least that we had everything down because I watch videos like you're doing right now. I watch videos, I took classes, I've been working on this for years, all about preparedness, thinking, oh, I'm prepared for everything. I can handle the zombie apocalypse. I don't care what it is, I'm ready. Well, it turns out I wasn't. Not nearly as ready for what happened. What happened was about 3 years ago, we had a major fire in our area and we had to evacuate. And that evacuation was not what I was ready for. We had it set up so we thought that what we did is we had a list and of what we needed to bring, which is very important. And we'll go into that in a later video, how we've refined it, how we've made it a lot better. But right now, I'm just saying we had this list, we brought what we thought we need. However, what I was trained at is basically shelter in place, stay here. And then I thought, I backpack a lot. So I thought I was ready for, going out backpacking, doing all that. That's basically what it was. It wasn't. And then the way people reacted. And isn't that what you found?
Yeah, the way people reacted around us was alarming.
It was. They weren't, prepared, and they were panicked. Mm-hmm. And we weren't, fortunately, because we were prepared enough. What we weren't prepared for was once it started, and it didn't end up like it wasn't like the movies. It was like actually it was worse than the movies for part of it. But then it wasn't like the movies. We went to places, we stayed there. I had to go back to work. Well, I was ready to go out, bug out somewhere in the boondocks, and here I was having to go to work, and I didn't have the clothes or anything like that. So, and that's why we want to go over in the future over more, videos and stuff on this, and break it down to what really you need.
What is the most important items you need to have with you?
Yes, exactly. Because if you don't have the right things, and the other thing we thought is, oh, you can just buy it, right?
Oh, no.
No, that doesn't work that way. Especially when you have thousands of people that are in the same situation and some of them less prepared. There's no buying nothing.
It's already gone.
It's gone. Well, you guys lived through 2020. You know how it works. Multiply that. I mean, then you got what we had. So that's why you need to be prepared. That's why we're making these videos. And that is why we want to help you. And people, our friends and our families, because we've been telling them, explain
what to do.
Yeah, what to do, and they keep telling us do this, and
yeah, like our children and things. I tell them weekly, be prepared. Every time something happens politically or just out in our environment, storms, weather, whatever, you need to have these certain items on hand all the time, especially if there are children in the home, because you want to be able to stay in place and take care of your family. You don't want to be out in the chaos with people who panic and see that you have things and want to take them from you. So you need to prepare yourself for your family in your home.
That's exactly right. And that is what we're doing here. And that's what we're hoping to help you guys figure out. So, I recommend if you can just watch some of our future videos as we break this down and from our experience, actual experience of what it's like. We're really hoping we can help you, and I really appreciate your time watching this. I welcome you. Welcome you to Normal Prepping, and
let us know if you have any questions, if you're interested about learning anything on any subject, and possibly we can help you do that.
Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Bye.